Good evening. Welcome to Dalal Street Finance post-market report for 4 May in terms of Indian stock market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. First, let's have a glance on the US markets. The US futures are trading in negative around 0.3 percentage, both US 30 as well as the Dow Jones. VIX has increased around 3.16 percentage. Moving to the European markets are also trading with 0.8% negative. Coming to the Asian markets are mostly positive. Checking the Indian broader markets, we could see that almost every sectors are positive, where financial services were leading and it was firing up the Nifty. Checking the Nifty today, Nifty opened with a gap down at 18,081 following the interest hike rates in US. And however, right from the open, Nifty was moving upwards and there was never a turn back. And finally, Nifty closed well above 18,250 and finally it closed at 18,255.8. Checking the support and resistance based on the open interest, we could see straddles at 18,200 and 18,250 levels. There are considerable calls on 18,300 with less number of puts written at the same strike, while there is a strong support at 18,100. Hence, in the coming sessions, Nifty can stay in a range between 18,100 and 18,300. Checking the OA that has changed today, we could see lot of calls unwinding and lot of new puts written. However, we can neglect this change in OA today because today is expiry day. Nifty support and resistance based on the premium for next week. We can see the straddle at 18,200 with a combined premium of around 180 rupees. Hence, we can assume that Nifty can take resistance at 18,380 at the upper side and 18,100 at the lower side. 100 to 18,050 at the lower side. Okay, moving to the graph, we can see that right from the open, Nifty is rallying towards 18,250 and finally marked its closure around 18,250. Checking the Bank Nifty today, similar to the Nifty, Bank Nifty opened at 43,236 and took just 20 points move down. Post that, there is no look back. It's always trending towards the 43,500. Around noon, post noon, basically 42,500 was broken out and there was a huge rally. From there, around 250 points has been rallied. And Nifty closed above 42,500 at 685 levels. Checking the OA, there was lot of call unwinding today and new puts were written. However, we can neglect this change OA today because it's an expiry day. Checking the change in open interest, again, lot of calls unwinded and puts were written in the system. Checking the support and resistance based on premium in Bank Nifty, we can see 43,500 and 44,000 have large number of calls and 43,500 and 43 has the puts. So we can expect a range from 43 to 44,000 for this coming sessions. Checking the graph again, similar to Nifty. After open, there's no look back. Bank Nifty was trending towards 43,500 and post noon it broke 43,500 and closed rallied around 250 points up and closed near the 43,700 levels. Checking the FIA DA data today, FIA as well as DAI both are positive today, with FIA buy for 1,414 crores and DAI buy for 414 crores. Overall, the market sentiment is positive with FIA on the buy side, and the negative news is that US debt ceiling, as well as the 0.25 interest rate hike in both UK as well as the US sectors. The global buying sentiment has been slightly dented. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer, do not take any trades based on this, as I am not a SEBI registered advisor, as well as please consider subscribing this channel. That means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.